rope, string, or jute for texture collage. Introducing texture in preschool is very important, and it helps stimulate tactile senses. For this activity, you will need a string of your choice, glue and crayons to color parts of the picture. In this template, we have a snail. We will color its body using crayons and then paste string on the spirals of the shell. Let the page dry. This activity fosters pre-writing skills in 2 ways. While working on the pasting and coloring, the child is using pincer grip and eye-hand coordination, along with a sensory stimulation with the texture of the string and glue. Depending on the picture chosen, the concept recap can be planned by the teachers. Once the worksheet is done, the teacher may simply ask children to run their fingers over the spiral from the center to the end of the shell, thus nurturing wrist movement and pincer grip. This texture page can be used multiple times to practice wrist movement. Subscribe to Planet E and never miss an update.